Today I'm going to show you Leonardo AI image-to-image tips for AI image generator, so you can turn a reference photo into a much cleaner, more accurate, and more creative result. If you've ever uploaded an image and felt like the output stretched, distorted, or ignored your prompt, this guide will help you fix that fast. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open Leonardo AI and go to the Workspace. Once you're inside, look for the Image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. This is where you'll choose the image-to-image workflow. After that, select your preferred model. Leonardo gives you different model options depending on the style and quality you want, so pick the one that best fits your project. Next, set your quality. If you want a more detailed and polished result, go with a higher quality setting. If you just want quick concept tests, you can keep it lighter and faster. Then, if needed, set your style. This part is optional, but it can help steer the final look of your image, especially if you already know the type of art style you want. Now pay close attention to the image dimensions. This is one of the most important parts of the whole process. Try to match your generation shape to the photo you uploaded. For example, if your reference image is vertical, use a vertical canvas. If it is square, keep the workspace square. This helps prevent the final image from getting stretched or awkwardly cropped. After that, choose the number of generations you want. If you're experimenting, generate a few variations so you can compare results. If you already have a clear idea in mind, 1 or 2 generations may be enough. Then look for the text prompt bar because this is where the real transformation happens. Now, it's time to upload your image reference. Click the upload button and select a photo from your local storage. Choose the image you want Leonardo AI to use as the base for the transformation. Once it uploads, the system will use that photo as the visual reference for your generation. Here's a very important tip. Avoid complex photos when possible. Images with strong lighting, simple backgrounds, and clear outlines work much better because the AI can detect the shape more easily. If the image is too busy, the output may become messy or confused. Another tip is to use close-up shots or portraits if you want accurate face rendering. Faraway subjects tend to distort more easily during the conversion process, especially when the AI has to guess facial detail from a tiny subject in the frame. The closer and clearer the face, the better your result usually will be. You should also crop your photo before uploading it. If you're on a phone or PC, crop it to a square or to the exact ratio you want before you bring it into Leonardo. This gives you more control and helps make sure the image fits your workspace dimensions without weird stretching. Now let's move to the prompt. Type your text prompt carefully because the way you describe the image matters a lot. A common mistake is only describing the new changes. Instead, describe the main subject of your uploaded photo first and then add your style words after that. For example, if your source image is a man in a jacket, start with that core description first. Then add the style transformation words like oil painting, cyberpunk, anime, fantasy, cinematic, or whatever effect you want. Those style keywords can push the model strongly toward the look you're trying to create. Another powerful trick is to keep the core description simple. Use the exact nouns from the source image whenever possible. So instead of writing something vague, be direct and specific. For example, a man in a jacket is much better than a long, confusing sentence. Simple prompts help reduce hallucinations, extra limbs, and strange background changes. Also, try placing your style conversion words right at the front of the prompt text box. This gives them higher priority during generation and can help Leonardo understand immediately that you want a style shift, not just a small edit. Once your image is uploaded, your dimensions are matched, and your prompt is ready, click Generate. Leonardo AI will create the new image based on your reference and your text instructions. If the first result is not perfect, don't worry. That is normal with image-to-image workflows. Adjust the prompt, simplify the subject, or refine the style keywords and generate again until you get the look you want. So to quickly recap, open the workspace, choose the image menu, pick your model, set quality, optionally choose style, match your dimensions, upload a clean reference image, write a simple but strong prompt, place style words at the front, and hit Generate. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more AI workflow tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of Leonardo AI tips you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.